back to my channel, or welcome if you're here. So today's video is shifting vlog. Yeah, by the title you already know that. I already shifted, I'm already in my new house. So I'm filming the outro in my new house because I forgot to film. Because there was like so many things going on due to shifting, and I was packing and we were like so busy. Many people will be confused like where I'm shifting and where I live, why I'm shifting and all. So I will cover that in the video. Like as the video goes, I will like put some voiceover, or I will like put some captions so you can read and you can understand. I was so busy in packing and lots of things were going on. I was like searching the house and like there were so many problems, and there were so many problems in house hunting. Like house hunting is a different part. I can make a different video about it. There are so many things I learned in this process of shifting and house hunting. So yeah, and the outro will be also kind of like same because I'm filming on the same day, intro and outro. So without wasting time, let's just start the video. Okay guys, so first thing which most of you guys ask me is that where I live. People who don't know me, I live in Chennai near to the MCC, but I'm not from Tamil Nadu, but I live in Chennai due to my dad's work.
Oh, listen, honey, if I told you about the way that I felt, I wouldn't waste a minute if I had you all to myself. We'd be.
So next thing is where I'm moving. So I'm moving near to my old house. The new house, it's in the same area, you can say like in the same area. Just due to my dad's work, I need to shift from there. So why I am shifting? So I already told you in the previous that I'm shifting due to my dad's work. He's serving in defense, so that's why I need to shift. So this is it for the voiceover part. So now you can enjoy the video.
We'd be walking in the moonlight, staying up till sunrise. Baby, you can let your walls come down. We'd be dancing in the corner, sleeping on my shoulder. You can come and have it all with me if you want it, baby. If you got it bad like I got it bad for you. If you got it bad like I got it bad for you. Let me tell you about the way that I've been thinking about us. Yeah, you wanted honesty but couldn't. Casey, I don't wanna buy you drugs. Like you so much better when you're not fucked up. Boy, you're just a little too much like that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Casey, I don't wanna fall in love. Thought I had the time, but it's just not enough. Boy, I don't tend to give my trust like that. Whoa, 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 whoa. I stay adamant with the same things, but I still hit her up in my daydreams. And I stop listening to my conscience, get lost in this nonsense again and again. And she hangs on way too tight, like it's a delight tonight. Life with you, baby. But Casey, I don't wanna buy you drugs. Like you so much better when you're not fucked up. Boy, you're just a little too much like that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Casey, I don't wanna fall in love. Thought I had the time, but it's just not enough. Boy, I don't tend to give my trust like that. Whoa, 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 whoa. She took away all of my youth now. 20 going on for the dating.
New pet, Milu. Milu? Hello?
She hangs on way too life and I. So should probably run away. Said fuck my friends' advice, just come through tonight. I ruined my life with you.
This is the hall. This is our kitchen. This is the condition of my room now.
Oh, listen, honey, if I told you about the way that I felt, yeah, I wouldn't waste a minute if I had you all to myself.
We'd be walking in the moonlight, staying up till sunrise. Baby, you can let your walls come down. We'd be dancing in the corner, sleeping on my shoulder. You can come and have it all with me, if you want it, baby. If you got it bad, like I got it bad for you. If you got it bad, like I got it bad for you. Let me tell you about the way that I've been thinking about us. You wanted honesty, but couldn't find someone you could trust.
Okay, so this is the condition of my room right now. Actually, we just sit at the table. So now I'm just taking out the stuffs from the. Now I need to fix this monitor like on stand. So yeah.
So I gotta know.
Laptops are here and I already put some books here. So taking out all these stuffs now. My room, and this is me. So yeah, the lighting is so good right now. Actually, the sun is setting, so this is the window and there is like outside there is some park and yeah, some swings and all, and there's water tank there and sun. So that's why it's kind of looking like so aesthetic right now. I will update you guys after like setting up all the things. Today's Raksha Bandhan, by the way, so yeah, I have the Rakhi. So I will see you guys after setting up my room. Hey guys, so now it's after many days. I forgot to like film the video because I was so busy in shifting and other stuff. So now I will show you guys my room and yeah, so let's see the room. So yeah, this is my room and this is the study table area where I study, and we have like monitor on the down, and because we usually don't use it, if I use it I will like put it on the table because it takes some space. So yeah, so this is like how I place my laptop here, and on the side I put a clock and the pens and all. This is like papers I was like studying, so yeah. So, and this is the window. I guess I already showed you guys that there is a park and a tank. So this is the bed, and I haven't like stick anything on the wall currently for my like where I will shoot. Yeah, I uploaded a video yesterday, so I was sitting here and like I was just shooting, so I have to do that. And this is like my bags and calendar, and this is mirror, but doesn't have mirror anymore, but it looks cute, so we will like fix it and then I will put it on that wall. Yeah, so upper shelves have so many boxes. So right now I have like 2 boxes here. Like this is the printer, and this box have so many like wires for computer and for other things. Yeah, tube light, so we have to like change the tube light as well. So these things are in process right now. even after many days. So yeah, we'll fix it after some time. So this is my cupboard, and here I have all my stuffs in the upper shelf, like not frequently used stuffs and some books. And at the down, like I use my notebook, iPad, and yeah, files and all. Everything is so messy. And here I have all the makeup things, face wash and all the makeup things and nail paints and all. And I have my clothes here. Like I don't sleep in this room, but still I like put my clothes here. And I have some clothes in the bedroom as well. And at the down, like we have some newspaper. So yeah, this is how like I have done, and like nothing new and nothing special. And the upper shelves have so many boxes, and I also have like attached washroom to my room, and this is the door for like hall. So yeah guys, this was my room, and we still have to do some things like change the tube lights and all that stuff. So yeah, that thing will happen slowly. Some boxes are also there. So that's it for shifting vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.
We'd be walking in the moonlight, staying up till sunrise. Baby, you can let your walls come down.